Hello, math lovers. In this video, we have to find the value of x, and we have been given an equation, and x is a real number. So let's start solving this problem. So first of all, let us look at the domain of this function on the left-hand side, which is x plus under root x minus 1 plus under root x plus 1 plus under root x square minus 1. Now let us look at the first term, which is x. So x can be any real number. X minus 1 under root. So this has to be positive because x is now because the right hand side is 4. So this cannot be less than x minus 1 cannot be less than 1, which means the minimum value of x is 1, which means x is greater than or equal to 1. Similarly here, x has to be greater than, greater than or equal to minus 1. And here again, x cannot be less than 1. So x has to be greater than or equal to 1, because if x is between minus 1 and plus 1, so if x is greater than minus 1 but less than minus 1, then this number is negative, and under root of x square minus 1 is negative. So x has to be greater than or equal to 0. So we have four conditions here, and we have to find the common or the intersection of these four conditions. So the number that satisfies, so not 0 but 1. So the number that satisfies all the four conditions is x is greater than or equal to 1. So x cannot be less than 1. So this is what this means. All right, now let us save this thought and let us proceed with solving this problem. All right, so now if I say let a is equal to under root x minus 1, this would mean that a square is equal to x minus 1. Similarly, if b is equal to under root of x plus 1, this would mean b square is equal to x plus 1. Now let us add a square plus b square, which gives me a square plus b square is equal to x minus 1 plus x plus 1, which is equal to 2x. And what this means is x is equal to a square plus b square divided by 2. Now let us start substituting. So I'll write here a square plus b square divided by 2 plus a plus b plus. Now x under root of x square minus 1 is the same thing as under root of x minus 1 into x plus 1. So I can write ab, and this is equal to a into b. So this is a, this is b, and this is equal to 4. Now multiply the left hand side and right hand side by 2, which will give me a square plus b square plus, if I multiply this with 2, I'll get 2ab, so I'll write it first, plus 2 into a plus b is equal to 8. And now this term is a plus b whole square, so I get a plus b whole square plus 2ab 2a plus b, sorry, is equal to 8. If I bring 8 to the left hand side, I'll get minus 8 is equal to 0. All right, so now this is a quadratic equation in a plus b. So applying the quadratic formula, I get a plus b is equal to minus b, which is minus 2 plus or minus under root b square is 4 minus 4ac. A into c is minus 32, so minus 4ac is plus 32 divided by 2. Let me solve here. A plus b is equal to minus 2 plus minus 6 by 2, which means a plus b is equal to minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4, or a plus b is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Now look, a plus b is these two numbers, this one and this one, and both these numbers, x minus 1 under root and x plus 1 under root, are greater than 0. So a plus b cannot be less than 0. So a plus b is greater than or equal to 0, which rules out this. So we are left with a plus b is equal to 2. Now let us substitute the value of a plus b. A plus b was x minus 1 under root, and a plus b was under root x plus 1. So let's write that. So x minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 2. Now let us square both the sides, which will give me x minus 1 plus x plus 1 plus 2 under root x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 4. These two terms cancel out, and I'm left with 2x plus 2 into under root of x minus 1 into under root of x plus 1 is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2. So x plus under root x minus 2, sorry, x. I had problem understanding my handwriting. So x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 2. Now let's bring 2 to the left hand side and take this term to the right hand side. We'll get x minus 2 is equal to negative of x minus 1 into x plus 1. Let's square both the sides. So x squared plus 4 minus 4x is equal to, so minus minus positive, x plus 1. So which means x squared plus 4 minus 4x is equal to x squared minus 1. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a squared minus b squared. So x squared cancels out, and we get 4, or let me do this in two steps. Minus 4x is equal to minus 5, which means 4x is equal to 5, which means x is equal to 5 by 4, which is the answer. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.